having a good palette to paint on is something that's actually really hard to come across. You can buy them at the art store, but they might be too big, too small, they might stick to your paint, and they might just not fit on your table at all. They might be really hard to wash off, but what if you had a palette that didn't cost you a cent to make and you didn't have to care about washing it off? In this video, I'm going to run you through how I made the palette behind me with really no trouble at all. Let's get into it. So this right behind me kind of looks like a mess, but there's method to my madness. I tell you that for sure. And while it is, once again, messy, I know where every single color is meant to go. Hey, that rhymed! But this is literally what came with one of my canvases. So if you buy an Artist Loft's canvas like this, it comes with this sleeve on the top. And I'll show you right here. This is what it looks like. It comes on there and pops off. That's just how they do their advertising. And, you know, that's a good way to do it, because if I take this, turn it around, fold this up, and place it down, I've got myself a palette. And this would have gone to waste if I had done nothing with it. So, I stumbled across a 30 by 40 inch canvas. Naturally, was like, wow, that's cool, and bought it. And it came with a sleeve that was 30 inches long. Actually, maybe even 40. No, 30. And, well, paint's flying everywhere. And that's what actually made this palette, and I've used it ever since. And the good thing is, I don't care about washing it. I don't care about anything. And all I did was tape it to the table. So, if you buy a canvas from Artist Loft and they have a sleeve, make a palette out of it. Obviously, it's not the most professional thing, but that's how I've done it. And I know that it'll save you a lot of time, could save you some money, and yeah, you just gotta go for it. So, hope you enjoyed this. I hope you do it as well, because, you know, it sure has saved me a lot of time. And yeah, bye-bye.